Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my So Much Crafting week on 2-page inserts from March 22nd through March 4th, and I'm going to use this little personal kit from Let's Plan It, and this was called Silent Night, I think. It's very wintry and very blue, and it got really cold out here, so I thought this was the perfect week to use it because hopefully after this week it'll start getting nice and springy out. Probably not, but we can hope. So we have washi and then script things, build you, icons, headers, weekend banner, and a little 3-heart checklist. And then more washi, date covers, habit trackers next week, and oh, the weather outside is frightful, full box. And then we have half boxes, quarter boxes, bubble boxes, sidebar, kind of habit tracker things, and washi. And then I pulled out this page that's also from Let's Plan It, and I have a Deathly Hallows, and we've all got both like light and dark inside us. What matters is the part we choose to act on. That's who we really are, because they're fairly neutral colored, so I might use those as full boxes also. And then I just have a stack of deco from a whole bunch of different shops, and I'll kind of show that to you guys as we plan, and as I actually pull things in instead of showing it to you all, or showing all of it to you and then not really using it. So I'm going to start here with this tracker box, and then we have a header for meals. I actually don't know. Yeah, I guess that does cover the lettering. I probably could have layered it over that, but that's okay because now it has like this big thing. Maybe I have an icon. Yeah, maybe this bright blue. Meals, like that. Okay, so that was easy. And then I have the washi. What are, okay, these are like really skinny strips. And those are like header sized. These are more like header width. There's 2 here and they're header sized, but I think, yeah, this is strip washi and I think this is strip washi. So can they be stacked or are they singular? Really don't know how this works. I think they're just single patterns, because otherwise that would look really goofy. Okay. Oops. I've seen some people like put washi here and then put like their habit trackers down here further and put stuff in the middle. So maybe I'll try that.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
got cut off and didn't realize it. So I put a half box on Tuesday. I put quarter boxes for days that I'm going to have videos go up, and I think I missed one. No, I didn't, I don't think. Maybe I'll have another one this day. Maybe I'll throw that in here real quick. I think I can still fit a quarter box in there if I'm careful. And I'm using these little glasses to mark my videos this week. These are from Beloved by Him. I don't know if she'll still have them though, because she was getting rid of them in her shop. So I'll have this pun with me here, probably a haul, my recollections pun with me, my monthly So Much Crafting, and then my Erin Condren pun with me. I don't think I'll have anything those other days. I do have a couple places to write things like for the rest of the week, and then I still have space here. I don't know what I'm going to put there yet. But yeah, this is my spread. Again, this is from Let's Planet, and then a couple other, you know, shops for deco and things. I do have these owls from Beloved by Him, and I feel like this kit is perfect for an owl, like a snowy owl, so I want to put one somewhere. I just don't know where. Like, I don't want it to be weird. There we go. We'll stick him in there. Little Hedwig. So I think it's really, really cute. I love the little additions of like slightly Harry Potter things to make this a Harry Potter spread. But I also like the blue for Ravenclaw and the wintry stuff. I still have stickers left over too. I have a bunch of icons, checklist, this header. That's my only thing. I wish there was a to-do header matching every color of this. So like this one says this week, but whatever. And then some of them say today and some of them say to do. So I wish that was all to do headers. But that's okay. And then, yeah, I have scripty things, icons, Happy Mail, washi, a header, a checklist, and then I have a couple more boxes, some more washi. And then again, these are washi strips and a next week. And, you know, I've got tons of stuff I can pull in from my collection, but I think it's like a really full spread. I love this setup that I did differently, and I was able to use the habit trackers that came in the kit. I'll do vitamins, skincare, and if I worked out or not each day. And then I used 2 additional boxes from Let's Planet from just a Harry Potter full box sheet. The rest of this is the kit, except for, you know, those couple little things that I pulled in. And I think it's really, really cute. Let me know what you guys think of this. Have you used a personal kit in a B6 insert? I think it actually like was basically the right amount of stickers. I love that they were 3 heart checklists or 3 square checklists and not more. I got cut off one more time. So what I was saying is I had everything I needed, including a little checklist, a sidebar, habit trackers, boxes, everything. And I think it's really, really cute. I guess I'm going to be done now so I don't get cut off again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't hit subscribe already, please hit subscribe in the down bar. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a great week. Bye!